The time has come for us to get to the final trade of the day with Mike Shorr of Prosper Trading Academy. What do you have for us, Mike?
Yeah, so, let's take a look at Roku. Earlier on in the week, Roku broke out, and you have to be pretty darn lucky to just catch a breakout, especially when you're looking at 52-week highs. So what do? So what you either have to just wave goodbye and say, well, it's not going to, I missed that one. But then once it puts in that high, then you're looking for a pullback. And a nice way to do that is to look at the linear regression channel. And so the top end of that linear regression channel is going to define that high. And then where you want to look for a pullback is at the middle of the linear regression channel, which is the linear approximation of the price over the course of that day. So that'll be your pullback. And then you hope that we go and test those highs and then blow through them. Now, as you get up to that area, you probably want to start tightening up your stop, because that could act as resistance after it being the old high. But if it gets above there, then you have a rocket ship.
What do you think about the market action? Is this a market where you would maybe buy the dip?
It's definitely, at the very least, a buy the dip. We're not even getting too many dips here, but not exactly sure what we're waiting for. A lot of the things that we were worried about and everything, they've somewhat become a little bit more clear. I don't want to say that they are taken care of, but a little bit more clear. If you're playing in the crypto space, you have some regulatory stuff that's really weighing on things. There's a lot of talk about the banks being forced to hold more in reserve. So that means that the bank is going to have to pull back money that they may normally lend. So that is given a little, but it really hasn't taken the steam. It's just kind of made us go sideways. So that means that if we can find, and resolve these banking type of issues and everything like that, I think we have another leg up. I certainly, I'll be cautiously bullish. Let's keep that. And there are some names that are certainly breaking out. A lot of new 52-week highs.
Always so good to have you here. Thank you, Mike.
Well, thanks a lot for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.